Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to print Fibonacci series in Java. As you can see, one pattern is there on the board. This pattern is called Fibonacci series. How? Because these two numbers are added in the next number. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5 and so on. It goes to infinite times. So we will print it, okay, and we will print it as per the requirement of user. Like suppose we want to print it up to 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's print it 8 times only. Okay, to print it 8 times, how we will do that? Let's see the code. So let's start the video. Let's see the code. What are the code? Let's write here class. For Fibonacci series we can take FB. Okay, what are the variables required? For a counter we will take C. For N1 and N2, two numbers, and one for storing the previous total. Let's take PT for previous total. Okay, so these are some requirement for us. Let's run a for loop for that. For already it is taken by us. C is equal to 1. Okay, and C should be lesser or equal to 8. Why I am writing 8? Because I want to print only 8 times, 8 terms. So C++ we can do here. Okay, now the next work is what? As you have seen, it was 0, 1, then 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. It was something like this. Okay, and we have to go up to 13, means 8 times. So next work is what? Let's print it here first. System dot out dot print. What we are going to print here? We are going to print the value of, we haven't given any value to N1 and N2. Let's give a value. N1 will be 0, okay, and N2 will be 1. Let's give it N2 and N1, 0 and 1. So now what we are going to print here? We'll print this number. So what we are printing here? N1. N1 will be printed, a space will be given. Okay, so first 0 will be printed. What will be the next work? The next work is add N1 plus N2. Add both. After the adding, store in previous total. PT, previous total, will store the value of N1. N1 and N2 will be stored in PT. Now what you have to do? Now the N2 will be this and N1 will be this. We have to shift the numbers. We have to leave one number and we have to shift to the next number. Now N1 N2 will be stored in N1. N2 will be stored in N1. Okay, in this way we will do it. In N2, what we will store? We will store the value of previous total. Previous total will be stored in N2. And in N1, N2, and in N2 what it will be stored? The previous total. Now let's execute it. Let's see how can we execute it. Okay, so let's see the execution, students. What is the value of C? 1. 1 is lesser than 8. Okay, print the value of N1. What is the value of N1? 0 will be printed. Next, what will happen? The next work is N1 plus N2. 0 plus 1. Previous total will become how much? 1. Now, N1 which was 0. Now N2's value is stored in N1. Now N1 becomes N2. Means N1's value will be what? 1. N2 which was previously 1. What is the previous total? The total is also 1. So 1, N2 will also become 1. N1 is also 1, N2 is also 1. C++. The value of C++ means it will increase by 2. Come to next. What is N1? What is the value of N1? 1. Printed. Given space. Now, N1 plus N2. 1 plus 1. 2. In N2 is how much? N2 is also 1. So again it will be stored here in N1 1. And N2 will be how much now? It will be 2. So what will be stored in N2? It will be stored 2. Then what will happen? Next, C++ 3. n1. What is the value of n1? The value of n1 is still 1. Okay, now space printed. Now n1, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, how much? 3. It will be 3. How much? 3. n1 is equal to n2 means what was the previous value of n2? The previous value of n2 was 2. So 2 and 2 will be stored in n1, and n2 will become this one, 3. Now n2 will be 3. Let's go to C++. It will become 4. What is the value of n1? It is 2. Okay, and after the printing of 2, again the value of n1 is 2, the value of n2 is 3. Then 2 plus 3, how much? Pt will become 5. But n1 has to be stored in n2. Now n1 becomes 3 and n2 becomes 5. C++, 5. 3 will be printed, next time 5 will be printed, and 8 will be printed. And in this way it will be printed up to only 8 terms. Okay, if you want to print it more terms, you have to increase the maximum value here. So in this way we can print the Fibonacci series. We need to have 1, 2, 3, 4 variables are required. So this is a program of Fibonacci series. Like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for the latest